No, let's go. It's getting cold. What's up, you guys? Sorry, Jacob, this is my fault. I just wanted a few pictures. I love the snow. I can barely feel my hands. Honestly, I didn't come out here for the mail. I just came out for the snow. The what, Jacob? Sorry, Jake. I love you, boo boo.
My jacket.
Damn. Dude, I can't feel my hands. Alright, well, the faster you walk, the faster we'll get out of the snow. You guys look at me. Damn, bro. Look how deep my foot is. Damn. Alright, come on. Oh, shit. Yeah. Sorry, Jay. It was basically just for the snow. Sorry. Alright, watch out because there's no chain, so. Oh, we can tell Mom that it's bad. Or she can tell. Oh, my hands are cold. Oh, no shit, Wyatt. Alright, that's it. Alright, come on. Dude, it's fucking cold, bro. Shit. Dude, these kids are fucking nuts, dude. Fuck this shit. Alright, come on. Fuck. Shit. Fucking nuts, dude. Oh, dude. I don't want to wish this on anybody, but I hope those kids get sick. I'm sorry. But that's called punishment.
Should we go in?
Oh, we're back home.
We're back, Mom.